Okay, so let's try adding some text to this. We have the T for the text tool. I'm going to put it over here on the upper left-hand corner. So maybe we'll start it out white. There. And let's add an animator. Let's do fill color, RGB. We'll select down here. Let's make it blue. About there looks good. Okay. We'll rename it. We'll rename that fill color. Okay. And let's see. All right, let's give it a. We'll go down here on the range selector 1, and we'll hit a keyframe for start. And we'll move it over a couple seconds. And we'll go over to 100%. And that will reveal it as white. Start out as blue and goes to white. Okay, let's see if we can add another one. So we'll go back up here. Let's select that with special guest text. So I'm going to add another animator. I'm going to try position this time. Let's rename that position. Actually, we'll do it to position. So this is my second one. And okay, so let's see. Okay. And let's give that a keyframe there. Yeah. Okay. I want to make sure this was working. So I gave it a keyframe. Over here. Okay. So I want to start at 0. And when I move over here, I'm gonna make this up to 100. Yeah. Okay. So it starts down here blue, and it'll move up as white. Yeah. Okay. Let's try another one. We'll try adding the guest is R2, D2. We'll make that text a little bit bigger. Give it some color. Yeah, some fuchsia, pinkish. Okay. So let's go into R2D2 and add an animator. Let's do another fill color. It's down here. We'll name it fill. So let's see, rename. Fill color. Okay. And I'm going to change this one to blue. Okay. And now I'm going to try one of those little wigglies. Let's see. So add, selector. So under the add, under the animator I just created, I'm going to go over here to add, a triangle, and then selector wiggly. And it looks like that worked. Okay. Let's see if I can add another thing to it. I want to add, let's try add scale. Bring it down a little bit. Yeah. It'll jump us all over the place. Okay. And I don't want it to start with it overlapping, so I'm gonna go to the very end right here, and under my R2D2 I want the transform properties, so I'm going to hit a keyframe right where it's at, and then I'm going to back it up a little bit because that's where I want it to go from. I didn't want position to be animated, sorry. I wanted scale. So let's hit a scale, move it back a little bit, and then bring the scale to 0. So I want it to, so I'm just going to type it 0. That way it pops into place without it acting all goofy and stuff. Yeah, just like that. So it starts out in the center, kind of moves up, and the R2D2 pops in and acts all crazy. That'll probably be my last frame.